Morning guys, sorry for the really horrible lighting, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you my before of my closet. So my closet is, and this is actually picked up, like this is not just like normal, this is kind of even picked up, but this is before I'm going to reorganize it. So I'm going to show you how much stuff I have. I'm going to try to purge as I go, but I'm not doing yard sales right now, so it's really not a good time to purge for me, but at least have a place to put purged items would be a goal that I'm going to have. So let's show you what it looks like before I reorganize it. Okay, so here's kind of, this is an addition kind of to my house anyway, so my closet is right here. It is not a walk-in closet. I've kind of taken over that this back closet as well. So now I did just install this shelf not too long ago. Obviously need to reorganize as well. This is going to be my equestrian clothes area, which is going to be great to have that. That's usually my boots. It's gone out of control. My shoe rack is in desperate need to be replaced, so I may not be putting that in here. I do have me a mirror, yeah, on both here, but I can barely even open it. So this is what it's looking like. So I can't really get in it very much. I mean, you can kind of see it from here. I mean, that's my opening. I don't have a lot, and I can move it to the other side, but have lots. I'll show you in here. So I've got some up here space that's not necessarily being used. Lots of hanging stuff. I have this hanging organizer that is like jam-packed full. Then down here I have stuff in these squares. So also on this side is where I try to keep my dresses. But down here in this bottom corner, I've tried to put clothes I don't need anymore, but it's just not working. So I need to reorganize my closet. So that is definitely on the to-do list. So I'm going to try to just do it in very fast motion. So if you like to watch cleaning videos, so I'm going to try to do it in a very fast type motion. It's not really, as you can see, there's not a lot of space here to like actually have it videoing the whole time, but I'm gonna see what I can do to kind of like keep you in the loop of what I'm doing, and definitely get to see the after. But I'll kind of speed it up as I go through it and see how this goes. It could be very bad, but I know the first thing you're supposed to do is take everything out of your closet. Probably not gonna do that, realistically. I may try, but then it would like for real feels like it would take all day, but we'll see. So I just want to show you the before. Okay, so let's go. You're headed to do closet organization. Here we go. say it gets worse before it gets better. We're like in the midway part, which is where I've got everything out, but I kind of stopped sorting about halfway through and just kind of threw it out. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. And most of my hanging clothes are laying on a bed somewhere, but check this out. Look at all this, just throwing this here. These I started to sort, which I've got to kind of finish it up. Here's my donate pile so far. So, but inside the closet, so I've left my 6 cube organizer here that I'm going to put actually cubes in. It's all clean. It's hard to really see because it's like such a small, it's really such a small closet really for a master. I've left this organizer in, but I'm going to reuse it differently. Now, and there is only these 2 like drawers, and that's just how it was. And then we do have this one shelf up here, but we do have some vertical space. Hopefully going to try to use that. So, and I have left back here my formal dresses. So I'm going to add the other one I have. So because they're going to go in the very back because I only need them very, very infrequently. So here's my clean slate. And I'll show you about halfway through putting stuff in here in a minute. Okay, back to Dollar Tree because I'm like midway progress. I'm going to show you what's going on. So this pile is going to go for like future Caitlin. That's going to the jacket closet. These all need hangers, and I only bought 4 of the pack of 7 hangers. So I'm actually going to go through these better a little bit, decide what I want to keep, and then have like a list of how many hangers I need. Over here I've already got 10 t-shirts, so I need another container to put my t-shirts in. That goes to the horses. Now in the bedroom where Sean and Caitlin are already asleep is more clothes for sure that's on hangers. So I'm definitely gonna have to get more hangers. I've already got a whole pile that I sent to my mom. And if she don't want it, then we're gonna do like Goodwill. This is now my new pile of stuff. Okay, all of this is got to go in that closet because it's going to be the horse stuff. So I'm going to put all my horse t-shirts and everything inside this closet. Now it's so dark and I can't turn on the light, so I don't know if I want to get a chance to organize it. I'm going to try to use the hangers and hang up what I can because I can only see that. I'm working on the pile. We're getting a lot closer. So that's the skirt. So now here's how the hangers are looking. So it's already looking so much better. So what I've got in each of these bins, so this is going to try to be a no fold system to help me out a lot. So I'm hoping to only fold shirts. So I've got hopefully dresses here at the back, then we go to shirts, hopefully, then we're going to go to undershirts, like under like tank tops, because I wear them like all the time pretty much, and I'd like to have them there instead of in a folded box, but we'll see. Then I've got my little accessories organizer that I'm already working on. Then we have our bins down here that I'm still kind of working on for sure. Then I moved this over here, and I wish I had more of these drawers. So let me see if they have drawers like this at Dollar Tree that I could fit in here. Because right now my shorts are right here, which I'm not super loving. Now back here, which is what I was working on, which looks so cute, is all of my winter stuff. And obviously I'm not done with that yet either. But up here, and I'm going to label them, it's just t-shirts. So, which we used to buy t-shirts all the time for every vacation place we went. But I've really purged a lot. So, but look at all this space so far. But it is quite a small closet, honestly. Now down here in this bin, I emptied all of that out. So I also ended up having more because I had that completely full of shirts I was going to keep. So I got rid of that, and so now it's going to be my donate pile. So whenever something doesn't fit, I'm going to throw it in there instead of just going up top. So hopefully this will work out. All right. So there's my progress. Oh, you can't even see me. Okay, so there's my progress so far. I'm going to try to get just the piles that's in the living room and stuff like that taken care of before I head to bed. And then I'll deal with the rest of them in the morning and figure out how many blue hangers I should get, and that's only if I can find them anyways, so we'll see. See if I can find me hopefully maybe 2 more of these containers, because this locker one's a little bit too tall to go in, and these are a little bit better, and so I can kind of bring them down. So hopefully I can find some of those. And these, or even fabric ones, would be great, but those from Target. So yep, so that's where we are right now. Okay. here we go. Not much different than last time I showed you, but everything's off the floor. These bins are full, which tells me that as I go through this year, definitely put away anything that I can't wear or I don't like, and then don't buy anything else new. But now at least I have it all organized, so I know what I have. But I've also organized over here. So I have now hung up all of my horse t-shirts and show shirts and everything. And up here is all pants that I wear to ride. So either jeans or breeches or whatever. And I've already hung up, you really can't tell because it's like super dark in here. And here's my really nice bridles, already hung them up anyways. Now down here, something different is I've put all my boots here, which I did before, but I had way more boots than the boot thing worked. So I've got this bucket over here and I've just dumped all my extra boots in here. And once I wear these out, then I can bring from the overflow, but I need to wear the boots out first. And over here, I've got to find partners to these flip-flops. And I'll probably get a new over-the-door shoe organizer, just because these are like so old. So probably going to take that one from the girls that I bought and give them one my mom just gave me. So, and over here is now my second bag of donations. And right here will be like donations related to Caitlin that maybe she'll wear when she gets a little bit older, as well as stuff that just goes upstairs. That was just in the wrong spot. Okay. So that's it for now. So all I have left is to hang up the rest of my stuff with the blue hangers and get like 2 more bins, and then my closet will be finished. So it's almost done. Super excited, and I can't wait to start using my closet. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye. It is finally done, labeled and everything. So I did want to show you my final after closet reorganization. I know I didn't show it completely the whole time during it, but it's the best I've got. So here is my brand new closet. Now, I got all these hangers. I did not get enough. So these are some of my old ones. And so what I'm going to have to end up doing is just hopefully purging more. But so we've got dresses in the back, regular summer clothes here, layered type shirts here. And I do have to move my closet door because that's how that works. Here are some layer tank tops that I wear almost underneath everything. Now we have in this organizer that I had before. So right here, I have just kind of like overflow t-shirts. Right here, I have tank tops and I've labeled them. Right here, I have shorts. And right here is just overflow. There's literally nothing in that. So that's going to hopefully remain overflow. Back here in my scarf organizer, I have scarves and some belts that I have organized on this, as well as that's all of my winter clothes. And back in the back is my graduation robe, as well as my formal dresses. So in the very back. So in the winter time, I will scooch all of this closer that direction and just move my winter closer on this side. So moving up here, look how good that looks. So over here, I've just got some t-shirts. Obviously got a lot of t-shirts. Over here, I've got t-shirts I got from church and that I do need to rewear depending on what I'm doing. Here I've got different shirts that from where we went places, so like my vacation t-shirts. So they're kind of like sentimental / keepsake souvenir stuff. Some more vacation t-shirts. Right here is school shirts. I layer underneath stuff all the time, another place to have them. And then this box I have purses that I still use. I've definitely purged a lot of purses. So these are just down to my absolute favorites. So a very small amount of purses for me. And the very side over here, those are sentimental t-shirts. I can't actually wear anymore, but they're very important to me. But I've put it down to just one box. So I've definitely made a good headway with these. Now down here, now, what is starting for me is that I literally have nothing on the floor down here, which is amazing for me. Also, nothing on top of my organizer, so that's really helped. So down here, I have these the fabric bins I got from Target. This one has like workout clothes, mainly like workout leggings and workout shorts. So all those kind of things all go in a no-fold system. So the no-fold system is great if you can implement that because it's just the quickest, easiest way to put stuff away. Over here would be underwear. Down here is pants. Now I have too many pants in a sense because it fills up this as well as these on the side. So my thought is to try to purge some throughout the year. just like the regular hung up clothes. Some skirts, again, overflows a little bit, so we will be hopefully purging more throughout the year, but at least they now all have a place. Over here we have jeans. Actually I have just like perfectly amount of jeans, a little bit much, but so a tote of jeans. And then down here is just a leggings box. So and as well as some like just pantyhose and stuff like that. So just things that go underneath longer shirts. And right here, which I did not label it, is going to be my donation box. So as I decide that I don't want it anymore, I want to purge it, I want to go right in here. Once it's full, I know I'll need to get rid of it. So that's going to be a great system. I'm so excited to implement it. And let's see. So here's kind of how it looks for a non-walk-in closet for an adult girl. I really feel like this is a pretty good closet. Now also over here, I have put my shoes still here. I have not put in the new shoe organizer. I may or may not use it because I don't really have that many shoes anymore. So I'll just kind of use what I have. Then here's my equestrian outfits as well as my equestrian pants. And then down here is my boots, and then over there is my overflow of boots. So I think I've got a really good system. Still need to purge a little bit, but it's going to be awesome to try to use this as my closet. And then that way I can actually leave my doors like this most of the time, grab what I need, and not have to open that unless I'm putting away stuff. So, alright then. Well, thank you for watching. My closet reorganization again with the blue, and that was from Dollar Tree. I ended up getting 10 containers of the seven hangers, and so that still wasn't enough, so it's a little bit much. I get that. So they're not the best to hang them on, so if you're looking to really make your closet even nicer, I would go with the velvet hangers, but they're a lot more expensive, and I really just don't need them. And they do have the little hooks. I don't know if you can see this, but they do have little hooks that you can use to hang out things that don't really stay on the hanger very good. So we'll see how this works. It should work great as some nice new systems, so clean and refreshed. I can't wait to use. God bless, be adventurous, and I'll see you next time. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and please comment down below what your favorite organization tool is to help you stay organized in a closet. So thanks for watching. Bye.